Let's see how we can use this edit with Copilot in Excel in connection with Business Central. So here is my Business Central role center, and I can, for example, go to the currency table, and we can have a look at how the currency table looks in our system. What we see here is that we have all the currency filled in here, but we are missing all the symbols. All the currency symbols of our currency table is missing in this example. So what I want to do here is I can use the function in Business Central that is edit in Excel. What will happen then is that it transfer the currency table to an Excel sheet, and I can see enable editing. So here is, sorry, I need to sign in here for a while. There I'm signed in, and we can now see that we have the same currencies listed in my Excel workbook that we had in Business Central. So if I now go to the Home tab of my Excel sheet and I select Copilot, we can see that Copilot is now in edit mode. So if I now tell Excel that I want to update the currency symbols, we can see if the agent is willing to do that. I need to save my worksheet first. So now Copilot will start to do the job, and it will reason here what it's actually doing in my Business Central environment and what tools it is using to update the currency symbols in my Excel sheet. So now we can start to see that it's actually doing changes to my Excel sheet. And we can see that it's slowly starting to fill in all the currency symbols. So now it's complete as far as I can see. We have now all the currency symbols filled in our Excel table. So now I can go back to the data connector to Business Central, and I can say publish. So what will happen now is that Excel transfers these data, the updated data, back to Business Central. And once that is finished, I can switch back to Business Central. I can refresh my currency table. And you can now see that all the currency symbols are filled in also in Business Central. So this is one nice way we can use this edit with Copilot in Excel feature to enhance the data quality in our Business Central implementation.